Today, I will show you how to buy shares of China Mobile, a leading telecommunications operator in China. China Mobile is listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under ticker 0941 HK. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker 0941 HK to locate China Mobile. Make sure you select the Hong Kong listing so you pick the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to understand the listing and recent price action. Confirm the name, the HKEX market, and the ticker 0941 HK to ensure this is the intended share. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want, and choose Market or Limit Order depending on your preference. Review the order details and fees, then confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade, you will see your new position in the portfolio view. For more details, the link to eToro is in the description below.